And welcome back to a new guide video of 1-2 Step. In this video, I'm going to show you the process on how to change your Shein account password. If you're also trying to know how you can change the password of your Shein account, then make sure you stick till the end and watch this video entirely. So firstly, let's head over to the Shein app. Once you're on the Shein app, you can tap on the Me option on the bottom right. From this section, you'll need to head over to the settings, which is this gear icon on the top right. From this settings section, you'll see an option called Manage My Account, which should be under Address Book. If you tap on the Manage Account option, you can see your details such as your email, phone number. Tap on the third one, which is Change Password. Now, before you can change your password, you'll need to add in your old password. If you don't remember your old password, then you cannot change your password through this method. You need to reset your password instead of changing it. If you do remember the password, type it in. And you can reveal this password by tapping on this eye icon. Once you're done, you'll need to now create a new password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, which should include at least one letter and one number. And in the last box, confirm your password as well. Make sure that both of these passwords match, and now you can just tap on submit, and your password of Shein app or your Shein account now has been successfully changed. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.